Now this figure 20-5B deals with transformers that are mounted above a suspended ceiling. And notice they do have to be totally enclosed except for ventilating openings to be installed above that suspended ceiling. And then 110.26 A4, I believe it is, says, that the grid could be in that space of service as long as you could reach over it safely and not put yourself in harm's way to service the transformer. But that's limited access in accordance with 110.26. I believe it's A4. I'm almost positive it is. But now notice, if you really wanted to get into a real case study on this subject, look at these loops. 450.8, how you guard the transformer. 450.10, how do you ground it? Sends you over to 250.30 for simply drive systems. 450.13 is location in general. 450.14 is the disconnecting means. 450.21a is when the transformer is 112 kVA or less. If it's over 112 kVA, then it's 450.21b, and you have some rules that you need to look at. And then 300.22c requires it to be a totally enclosed transformer to be set above that suspended ceiling, which is used for environmental air. So look at the loops. The loops will teach you so much. You'll learn so much from the loops if you really want to get into it and spend a little time. But basically, this is just mounted above a suspended ceiling, the transformer, in accordance with 450.13b, and illustration 20.5b is illustrating this with loops, so you get a detailed outline of how to install transformers.